Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Devani Mishra and today's video is gonna be what's in my pencil pouch. So let's get started with it. This is a very trending pencil pouch. If you have ever been on Pinterest or even on Instagram, you may know how trendy this is. So I bought it during that time. I bought it during 2023 and I have been using the same pencil pouch ever since. I asked my mother recently to clean it because ये बहुत ज़्यादा गंदा हो गया था. So let's get started. So the first section is this section. In this section I have all the important pens. As you can see that this pencil case is purple in color because I really much like the color purple. So I have all the pens in purple color too. So let me show you one by one what they are. Firstly, this pen. This is a gel pen. A Hello Kitty is written here. मेरे भाई ने मुझे गिफ्ट किया था. I really love this pen. This is a gel pen, a blue pen, and yeah, so it's really cute. The next one is this black gel pen. This is from Flair, and this looks really aesthetic. That's why I bought it, and it's और ये बहुत ज़्यादा affordable भी है. It's only 10 rupees, so I really love it. Next one is this mechanical pencil from Uniball. I really love this. It's on Blinkit. मैं हमेशा Blinkit से ये खरीदती हूँ. This was of 60 rupees. And then this highlighter, मतलब ये बहुत ज़्यादा पुराना हो चुका है. ये मैंने 2022 में ही खरीदा था. And I really love this highlighter क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा पतला है. It was affordable too. It's very slim also. And I really love this color purple. As you may all know, मैंने कितनी बार कहा है. So yeah. And the next pen is this pen. I really love this pen. It's a click-on pen. ये pen is really expensive. मतलब ये it comes in a set. It's from Kako. I bought this from Blinkit. It was in a set of 5. It's a blue pen. But मुझे ज़्यादा darker pens पसंद है और इसका जो writing है ज़्यादा dark नहीं है. So it's only in my pouch for aestheticness. And if I am ever in shortage of pens. The next section is this one. I have a purple highlighter from Skinder Job. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I have a full set of these highlighters, but it's in my cupboard. And then this highlighter, purple pastel highlighter from Flair. I love this one too. It's very smooth and I bought this in Kota only. And then this pink highlighter. I have bought this from a very well-known stationery website. I'll link it down below. And another Kako pen. It's halfway used, so I kept it here. And then another Flair ka gel pen. I really use it so much. And then there's this Dom's ka eraser. What you can do is just press on it and you can just click on the desirable amount of eraser you want to erase your work. And then I have this blue wala highlighter from the same company I bought the rest of the highlighters from. This came in a whole set. And then I have this Hauser ka Billy Germany pen. I used to love this pen a lot, but then after a while मुझे उतना अच्छा लगने नहीं लगा. But it looks really aesthetic, so that's why I've still kept it in my pouch if I ever need it. And then this pen is from Pentel. This is a very dark pen, a very dark pen. I really love dark pen. I really love pens which give me a really dark writing, so I really love this. And then a green pen from Flair Glass Gel. I sometimes do need green pens for note taking. And then a red pen from Pentonic. Every Indian has a Pentonic pen, I'm sure. And then this pen. I have written my JEE exams from this pen. This is Link ka Maxo pen. And then this scale. ये बहुत पुराना है. Like it's 4 years old scale, but I really love it because it can convert into a 30 centimeter scale too. So when I'm lining, जब मुझे लाइनिंग करनी होती है नोट्स में तो इट्स रियली हेल्पफुल. एंड देन दिस रेनॉल्ड्स का पेन. मुझे आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है बॉल पेन से लिखना, बिकॉज माई होल स्कूल लाइफ आई हैव ओनली रिटन फ्रॉम जेल पेन्स, बिकॉज बॉल पेन्स अलाउड ही नहीं थे हमारे स्कूल में. एंड देन वी विल मूव फॉरवर्ड टू दिस सेक्शन. ये जो यहाँ पे बंद है ये वाला सेक्शन, आई हैव केप्ट दिस फ्रॉम फॉर ऑल माई छोटू मोटू आर्ट वर्क्स. द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट कम्स आउट हियर इज वॉशी टेप. मतलब एक वॉशी टेप तो रहना ही चाहिए ना, लाइक इफ यू हैव टू स्टिक समथिंग एंड इट शुड लुक एस्थेटिक एंड ऑल. And the next thing I have is this stickers. These are stickers in the form of stamps and इस पे सारे dates लिखे हुए हैं. I once gifted my friend something and उसका birthday 5th September को आता है, तो मैंने इसमें से एक 5th September वाला स्टैम्प निकाल के उसके birthday gift पे चिपका दिया था. And the next thing is this. This is something that my friend has gifted me. It came in a set and this is really good for making to-do list या फिर आपको कुछ भी ऐसा लिखना है जो remember रखना है आपको, तो it's very useful. And the last thing I have in my pencil case right here is this bookmark / sticky note. It's very useful as dividers या फिर bookmarks for separate chapters or separate important part of notes. So this was also very affordable. I bought it from a store nearby. It also has some measuring, like a scale given on it. So guys, this was my pencil case which I have been using since 2023 and I really need to change this pencil case. मुझे एक नया लेने की ज़रूरत है. इससे पहले भी मैं इसी कंपनी का एक pencil case यूज़ करती थी till 10th standard.